Hi everyone. In this video we discuss relational and assignment operators in Python. In the previous video we discussed about arithmetic operators. Before start the today's session, let us try to recall what have we discussed in our last video. What is operator and what is operand, types of operators in Python, types of arithmetic operators in Python, what is the difference between float division and floor division, what is a string concatenation, how to print a string multiple times. After watching this video, you will be able to know why we use relational operators, how to implement chaining of relational operators, which value will be returned by the relational operators, how to separate two variables in a single line while assignment, compound assignment operators and its usage. In the last video, we started the topic operators, and in last video itself we covered arithmetic operators and the basic concept of the operators. If you didn't watch that, please watch that and continue this, then it will be easy to understand. In this video, we are going to cover relational operators and assignment operators. We will discuss remaining operators in the coming videos. Let us start with relational operators. These relational operators are also known as comparison operators because with help of these operators we can compare the two values. With help of these comparison operators we can understand whether two values are same or which one is bigger or which one is lesser. So we can know the relation between two values. That is the reason we can use the word relational operator or comparison operator. These relational operators returns either true or false depending on the values compared. These are the relational operators. It is very easy to understand. First one is less than operator. It returns true if the first operand value is less than the second operand value. Next, greater than, it returns true if the first operand value is greater than the second operand. Less than or equal to, it returns true if the first operand is smaller than or equal to the second operand. Greater than or equal to, it returns true if the first operand is greater than or equal to the second operand. And very important point, in all programming languages, this is called is equal to operator. In maths, generally when we write one equal, that is called equal to operator in the mathematics. But in programming languages, when you write equal to two times, that is called is equal to operator. It returns true if the value of two operands is equal. If left-hand side value and right hand side value of this is equal to operators are equal, then it returns true. Then not equal to, it returns true the two values. The left hand side value of this operator is not equal to right hand side of this operator, then it returns true. Now see the implementation of the relational operators. I am storing 10 into the variable x and 12 into the variable y. Now just I am trying to print the value of x greater than y. What it will be returns, that may be true or false. And in this case x value is 10, y value is 12. X greater than y means 10 greater than 12. So 10 greater than 12 is false, so it returns false. In this way you must understand. Next, x less than y, 10 less than 12. So this is true. That's why it returns true. And next one, I want to print x is equal to y. Is x value is equals to y? No, because x value is 10, y value is 12. These two are not equal. So in this case, it returns false. And is x value not equal to y? Obviously, because x value is 10, y value is 12. These two are not equal. So in this case, not equal operator returns true. Then x greater than or equals to y, 10 greater than or equals to 12, no, so it returns false. 10 less than or equals to 12, yes, so in this case it returns true. Let us try to execute this. Now see, x greater than y is false, x less than y is true, and so on. This is how to implement relational operators. As we discussed already, all the relational operators returns either true or false depending on your condition, depending on your expression. Chaining of the comparison operators also possible. Chaining means it contains multiple comparisons, multiple relational operators. In the chaining, if all comparisons are true, then only the final result of that chain will be true. If at least one comparison returns false in that chain, then the final value will be false. With help of this example, that will be clear. See the example 1, 10 less than 20 less than 30. This is called chaining. So in this case, all are true. 10 less than 20 is true. 20 less than 30 is also true. So all are true. So the final value becomes true. See the second example. This is one more chain. 10 less than 20 less than 30 greater than 50. If you observe, which is highlighted in the red in color, that is false. 30 greater than 50 is false. If any one value is false in the chain, the complete value of the chain becomes false. So see now, we are implementing chaining here. Print 10 less than 20 less than 30 and print 10 less than 20 greater than 30. Run it. All are true. So final value becomes true. In this case, 20 greater than 30 is false. So the final value of the chaining is false. So in the relational operators, is equal to and not equal to operators are also called equality operators. And for the equality operators also, we can implement chaining concept. And the rule is same. If all the comparisons are true, the final value will be true. If any one of the comparison returns false, the final value becomes false. See this example. In this example, I am using is equal to operator. 10 is equal to 10 is equal to 10. Here 10 is equals to 10, one comparison. Again this 10 is equals to 10 is another comparison. Two comparisons are true. So the final value becomes true. Second example, 10 is equals to 10. This is first comparison. The value is true. This is second comparison. This is false. And 30 is equals to 50. This is also false. So the final result of this example 2 is false. See the example for the implementation of chaining of equality operators. Print 10 is equal to 10 is equal to 10. Print 10 is equal to 10 is equal to 30. Run it. First result is true because all the comparisons are true. Second result is false because 10 is equal to 30 is false. Relational operators are generally used to create condition in the control statements like if, for, etc. Control statements concept will be covered in the coming videos, but as of now just remember, we can use these relational operators to frame the condition in the control statements concept. If is one of the control statement. Whenever we are writing the if statement, we need to frame one condition. To frame that condition, we use relational operators. See this example, A assignment 10, B assignment 20. If A greater than B, then print yes, this will be executed. If it is false, else part will be executed. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used in the Python to assign right side value into the left side variable. Simply we can say that assignment operators are used to assign the values to the variables. In this example, we have the value 10 at the right hand side of the assignment operator. We have the variable at the left hand side of the assignment operator. Now the right hand side value will be assigned to left hand side of the assignment operator. Simply the value 10 will be assigned to the variable A. That is the use of assignment operator. If you want to use two variables in a single line, those two variables must be separated with semicolon, not with comma. Generally in C, C++, Java, if you want to declare two variables in a single line, those variables are separated with comma. But in Python, those must be separated with semicolon. That is very important point here. Now see the implementation. A assignment 10. I want to print that value. Run it. 10 will be printed. If you want to use two variables in a single line, A assignment 10, semicolon. Those two must be separated with semicolon, or you can write those two variables in the separate line. Two are valid. I want to print those two values. Run it. A value 10, B value 20. Let us check if I use comma, is it valid or not in the Python. A assignment 10, comma B assignment 20. Just run it. Now see here, we are getting error. Two variables must be separated with semicolon. Assignment operators are also used in the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. If we have the same variable at the left hand side and right hand side, then only we can use these assignment operators along with the arithmetic operators. In such cases, those operators are called compound assignment operators. See the example. So A assignment A plus 10, this is a valid statement. So what is the value we have in the A? For that value we are adding 10 and the final result will be stored into the variable A again. Same statements can be written as A plus assignment 10. These two are same. These two are giving the same meaning. We can say that this is just like a shorthand notation of A assignment A plus 10. But the rule is whenever you have the same variable at the right hand side of the assignment operator and at the left hand side of the operator, then only we can implement this type of the compound assignment operators. If you take A assignment A minus 10, this can be written as A minus assignment 10. Now let us try to implement these compound assignment operators. In this case, I am implementing plus assignment compound assignment operator. Now see, storing one string constant value into the variable str and I want to print that. Str will be printed. After that, I want to implement plus assignment operator. Observe this statement. Str plus assignment and one more string constant world. So world will be added or concatenated to the existing value of str. The existing value of str is hello. Now updated value I want to print. Now let me run it. See, original string value is hello. Updated string value is hello world. I assignment 10, then I want to print it. I plus assignment 10. This is same as I assignment I plus 10 only. So already we have the value 10 in the I. So if I write I plus assignment 10 means the 10 will be added to the existing 10. Observe the output. Original value of I is 10. Updated value of the I is 20. In the same way, take one float value and I want to print the original value. After that, I am writing a compound statement plus assignment f plus assignment 20. The 20 will be added to the float value. I want to print that updated value. This is one of the compound assignment operators. In this way, you can implement all compound assignment operators. Let us see the list of the compound assignment operators. Subtraction assignment operator and division assignment, multiplication assignment, modulus assignment, exponent assignment and floor division assignment. Try to implement these to get the better idea. Check your knowledge. What have you learnt from this video? Why we use relational operators? Chaining of relational operators? Which value will be returned by the relational operators? How to separate two variables in a single line? How to implement compound assignment operators. If this video is useful to you, please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and share it. Thank you.